Dear students, welcome to SSR Academy of IIT Foundation in Mathematics YouTube channel. In the previous session, we discussed the concepts of multiples and some problems. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss some interesting problems on multiples. Before going to know these problems, we have to learn two main formulae. That is, number one is number of multiples of A from x to y is equal to y minus x by A plus 1. This is the first formula. Second is number of multiples of A between x and y is equal to y minus x by A minus 1. These are the two main formulae to find. Number one is number of multiples of A from x and y, x to y. So, where x comma y are the multiples of A, where x is the smallest multiple and y is the greatest multiple. In the second, number of multiples of A between x and y. So, including x comma y is from A to B. Excluding x comma y is excluding between x and y. So, between x and y is y minus x by A minus 1. So, where x and y are the multiples of A, where x is the smallest multiple of A and y is the greatest multiple of A. These are the two main formulae to find the number of multiples of any number from two numbers. So, these are the two main formula. Now, we go to problems. Number one. First problem is the smallest 4-digit multiple of A is 7 is the smallest 4-digit multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 is dash. This is the first problem which we are discussing. So, smallest 4-digit multiple of A, 7. So, before going to find this, first we write the smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number? The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now, we divide 1000 by 7. This is multiple of, going to find the smallest 4-digit multiple of 7. We divide smallest 4-digit number by 7. This is the simple division. 7 ones 7, 3 0, 7 fours 28, 2 0, 7 twos 14, 6. So, here this is called divisor. This is remainder, dividend, and this is quotient. Now, to find the smallest 4-digit number of 7, the required number is 1000. This is the smallest 4-digit number. We add a number to get the smallest 4-digit multiple of 7. We add the number which is the difference between divisor and remainder. What is the divisor in this division? 7. 7 minus remainder is 6. So, 1000 plus 1, that is equal to 1001. This is the smallest 4-digit multiple of 7. So, we check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. So, 1001 dividing by 7. When it is completely divisible by 7, then we say that the number 1001 is the smallest 4-digit multiple of 7. 7 ones 7, 3 0, 7 4s 28, 2 1, 7 3 is 21. So we get remainder 0. Then we say that 1001 is the multiple of 7, which is the smallest 4-digit multiple. So in this problem, when we are going to find the smallest 4-digit multiple of 7, first we write smallest 4-digit number and divide it by 7 and add 1002, the difference between divisor and remainder of the division. Then we get the smallest 4-digit multiple of 7. Next, second, the greatest 5-digit multiple of 12 is dash. So here we have to find the greatest 5-digit multiple of 12. Before going to find this, first we write the greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number is equal to 99,999. Now we divide this number by 12. 99,999 by 12. 12 8s 96. 3 9. 12 3s 36. 3 9. Again 12 3s 36. 3. This is 9 9. Again write 9. 12 3s 36. 3 is the remainder. So here we divide 99,999 by 12. So we are going to find the greatest 5-digit multiple of 12. Here the greatest multiple number 5-digit number is 99,999, which is not divisible by 12. So it is not multiple of 12. So the greatest, to find the greatest 5-digit number, we subtract the remainder from greatest 5-digit number. We get the greatest 5-digit number, which is a multiple of 12. So required number is equal to, we subtract the remainder from the greatest 5-digit number, 99,996. Now we check that the number is either divisible by 5-digit 12 or not. So 99,996 is divisible by 12. So 12 8s 96, 3 9, 12 3s 36, 3 9, 12 3s 36, 3, 12 3s 36. So remainder is 0. This means 99,996 is the greatest 5-digit multiple of 12. So to find the greatest 5-digit multiple, we write the greatest 5-digit number, divide it by 12 and subtract the remainder from the greatest 5-digit number. We get the greatest 5-digit multiple of 12. Next, the multiple of 16 which is closer to 726. Third, the multiple of 16 which is closer to 726 is dash. So the number which is closer to 726. So to find the number which is a multiple of 16 before 726 and the number which is a multiple of 16 after 726. To find these two numbers, we have to we divide 726 by 16. 16 4s 64. This is 8, 6. 5s 80. So here 6 is the remainder. So 726 is a number. We are going to find the multiple of 16 which is close to either before multiple or after a multiple of 16. So we divide 726 by 16. Now the number which is multiple of 16 before 726 is equal to find before number, we subtract 6 from 726. 726 minus 6, that is equal to 720. So 720 is a multiple of 16 before 726. Next we find the number which is multiple of 16 after 726. We write it, the number which is a multiple of 16 after 726 is equal to 726. We add a number to find after multiple. So 726 plus we find the difference. We add the difference between divisor and remainder of the division. 16 minus 6, that is equal to 726 plus 10, 736. Now these are the two numbers, two multiples of 16. This is before multiple of number, this is after number. So of these two, 720 is closer to 726. We observe these two numbers, we easily say that therefore 720 is a multiple of 16 which is close to 726. So this is the problem. Multiple of 16 which is closer to 726 means nearest multiple of 726. Nearest means either less than 726 or greater than 726. To find less than 726, we subtract the remainder from the 726. To find after 726, we add 726 to difference between divisor and remainder of the division. Then after finding these two numbers, we can easily say that 720 is closer to 726. So 720 is a multiple of 16 which is closer to 726. Next. Number of, next problem, fourth. Number of 3-digit multiples of 12 is dash. So how many 3-digit multiples of 12 are there in our number system? So to find number of 3-digit multiples, so now first we find the smallest 3-digit multiple of 12 and the greatest 3-digit multiple of 12. So we write the smallest 3-digit number. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. So we find smallest number of 4-digit multiples. 100 is the smallest. So we write the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now we divide 1000 by 12. 12 8s 96, 4 0, 12 3s 36, 4 is the remainder. Now the smallest 4-digit multiple of 12 is equal to, we add the difference between divisor and remainder to the smallest 4-digit number. So 1000 plus 8, that is equal to 1008 is the smallest 4-digit multiple of 12. Next, to find the greatest 4-digit multiple of 12, we write the greatest 4-digit multiple of 4-digit number is 4-digit number is equal to 9999. Now we divide 9999 by 12. If it is divisible by 12, we say that 9999 is the greatest 4-digit multiple of 12. So let us check by dividing 12. 12 5s, 12 6, 12 8s, 96, 3 9, 12 3s, 36, 3 9, again 12 3s, 36, 3 is the remainder. So the greatest 4-digit multiple of 12 is equal to, we subtract the remainder from this number, 9999 minus 3, that is equal to 9996. This is the greatest 4-digit multiple of 12. Now we write the multiples of 12 in a sequence. So multiples of 12, first multiple of 12 is, 4-digit multiple of 12 is 1000. The 4-digit multiples of 12 are, so the smallest 4-digit multiple of 12 is 1000. So 1008, comma. What is the next multiple of 12? We add 12 to this number, we get the next multiple of 12, and so on. And finally, the greatest 4-digit multiple of 12 is 9996. Now, we already know that the formula for number of multiples of A from X and Y, where X and Y are the multiples of A. So, we use that formula. Now, number of 4-digit multiples of 12 is equal to, formula is 9996 y minus x, x is 1008 by a is 12 plus 1. We use this formula, that is equal to, we subtract 1008 from 9996, which is 8 8 9 8, 8988 by 12 plus 1. Now we divide it by 12. 12 sevens, 84, 5, 12 fours, 48, 12 nines, 108. So the quotient is 749 plus 1, 750. So from this we say that the 4-digit multiple of 12 in our number system is 750. Next, fifth, number of multiples of 9 from 70 to 420 is dash. So here we have to find number of multiples of 9 from 70 to 420. So we have to find the multiples, or we write the multiples of 9 from 70 to 420. So we write the smallest multiple of 70 before 70, after 70. So 70, 9 8s, 72. So 72 is the first multiple after 70. So we find the greatest multiple of 420 before number 9. 9 4s, 36, 60. 9 6 54. So 6 is the remainder. Now the multiples of 9 from 70 to 420 are, we write the first multiple after 70 is 72. Next multiple after 72 is 81. From this and so on. What is the multiple of 9 before 420? So we subtract the remainder from 420. We get the multiple of 9 before 420. So 420 minus 6 is 414. So these are the multiples of 9 from 70 to 420. Now number of multiples of 9 from 70 to 420 is equal to, so from these two numbers the multiples of 9 are, these are the multiples of 9. So here this is the smallest and this is the greatest. We subtract 72 from 414 by 9 plus 1, that is equal to 414 72. We subtract 72 from 414. 2, this is 4 and 3. 342 by 9 plus 1. We divide 342 by 9. 9 3s, 27. 7 2. 9 8s, 72. So remainder is, quotient is 38 plus 1, that is equal to 39. So number of multiples of 9 from 70 to 420 is, to find from 70 to 420 we find a multiple of 9 after 70 and before 420. After 70 multiple of 9 is 72. Next multiple of is, to add the 9 from this number we get 81, which is the multiple of 9 after 72. So and the greatest or before number, the multiple of 9 before 420 is, we divide 420 by 9, we get remainder 6. So to get that number we subtract 6 from 420, we get 414. So we write multiples of 9 from 70 to 420 are 72, 81 and so on 414. Now we use the formula. Number of multiples of a from x to y is y minus x by a plus 1. X and y are the multiples of 9. So 70, 72 and 414 are the multiples. So we subtract 414 minus 72 by 9 plus 1. 342 by 9 plus 1, 38 plus 1, 39. There are 39 multiples of 9 from 70 to 420. So this is the fifth problem. So in this session we discussed some interesting problems and some two formulae. In the next session we discussed next topic. Thank you.